To fix the Siemens washing machine error code F23, it's essential to understand what this code means. The F23 error code signals the activation of the flood switch, which is typically caused by water accumulation in the machine's drip pan, a damaged inlet hose, or a hole in the door rubber. To resolve this issue, start by draining the water from the machine. This can be done by powering down the washer, pulling it out from its initial position, and rotating it backward to allow the water to drain out from the bottom. Once all the water has been removed, the flood switch should automatically reset, and the error code should be resolved. If the issue persists, inspect the inlet hose by shutting off the washer, extracting the back panel, and locating the hose. Carefully check for any damage, and if the hose is damaged, replace it with a new one. Also, ensure the nozzles are tightly connected, and if not, tighten them accordingly. Reassemble the washer and check if the error code persists. Another potential cause of the F23 error code is a hole in the door rubber. To check for this, switch off the washer, remove the back panel, and locate the door rubber. If the hole is not immediately visible, run the unit on rinse and then drain. Remove the front clamp ring, and pull the rubber's front edge out. Raise the bottom edge to inspect underneath, and if the rubber is wet on its underside, it has a hole. In this case, replace the door rubber with a new one to resolve the issue.